Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. But before we getting started, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. If you are using your desktop, you need to open up your Google Chrome or any kind of browser. Go to facebook.com and then go to your profile, and after going to your profile, here you can see your profile picture is here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm simply going to change my photos, right? So here you have to click on upload photos and you need to select your profile picture, and as I am selecting one of these, just to show you guys, so this is the picture I'm going to use as my profile picture, right? So after setting on that, click on save button and you have to wait a bit. So here you can see your profile picture has been changed, right? So if you click on reload, and then here you can see your profile picture is changed, right? So now what we gonna do, as we don't want to notify anyone else, so click on your profile picture, click on that three dot and you have to click on edit audience. You have to go down and then you have to set it on only me. Alright guys, so after clicking on that, you simply can see this post, only you can see this post, right? So that means no one will able to see this profile picture, right? So this is how you can actually update your profile picture without notifying everyone in Facebook. I hope you guys understood this video, and if you guys have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.